Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Philippines. We are in Manila and we are staying at the Grand Hyatt Manila. It is such a lovely hotel. You come in downstairs and you're like wowed instantly. We're staying here using points and we also used a guest of honor certificate that we have earned. We've been working our way up to globalist, and actually we'll earn globalist with this stay. We paid 12,000 points per night. And that's actually a super deal. We had originally booked the standard room and they upgraded us to the premier room, and it is premier. So let's start over here in the front. This is actually the entrance. Big, beautiful full-length mirror here. And then there's a water closet, so just the commode and a nice little sink. And a little bar of soap there. Looks like it has a little bidet attached to it, but pretty much just like a regular toilet with a sliding door. And then let's slide through here and take a look at this bathroom. This is the shower, and it's got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It looks perfect. Looks like it has a handheld and also a rain shower. So you decide how festive you want it to be in there. And then over here, we've got double sinks, which is fantastic. I love double sinks so much. All of your amenities are in here, organized nice and beautiful. You get a loofah. I'm definitely going to be using that. Dental kit, vanity kit, shower cap, sewing kit, sanitary bag, and shaving kit. So that's great. You've got plenty of space in here. So great. And then look at this tub. So beautiful. I think I'm absolutely going to be using this tub probably tonight. You've got some nice robes right here. And then you've got your little vanity mirror. And if you've seen the channel before, you've probably heard me say that these are just to be mean. Nobody wants to look at themselves that close. All right, let's look in here. You've got your little kind of coffee and tea station here. They provide you with all this water to start, and then they continue to refill that. They said just dial 0, let them know if you need more, and they'll bring that to you. And then you got your little coffee maker here and the explanation on how to use it. The steps all in English, which is fantastic. The little pods for your coffee are here, and you have the option to either do it in the to-go cup or you can have your coffee in here. And then they also provided a little tea kettle. You can do tea here as well. They have the coffee and the tea and the sugar and stuff like that in here, which is perfect. And then in here, this one's empty. You can just put some snacks or whatever. And this one has glasses and spoons. There is a tea kettle. We have bought a few snacks, so if you see things that don't look like they fit, it's because we bought them. But this is kind of cool. These are included. They give you these 2 little bags of banana chips from the Philippines. Sweet original, so I'm looking forward to chomping on those. I love banana chips personally because I love bananas. So that's perfect there. You also have a nice little fridge. We've bought some fruit and yogurt, put in there. And it comes empty, so it's not a mini bar, so you can put whatever you want in there. This is the closet here. Great closet. You have the ironing board, iron, the safe, and then always have your flashlight. Our bags are just piled up in here, kind of a big mess. You got your umbrella in here, which in the Philippines, you're gonna need that umbrella. It is going to rain. Plenty of room in there to take care of your business. This is the main part of the room. Look at how beautiful this room is. Oh my goodness, take a second and take that in. Actually, let's start right here where I'm standing. Look at this beautiful couch to sit on, table to set your things down on, little ottoman here to put your feet on, another table here. And this actually behind here is a window out into the city, which I'll show you what that looks like tomorrow. And then your TV is here. It swivels all the way, so you could watch it from the couch. You could watch it from the bed. Kind of interesting, this post, the way they've done that. Not really sure what the thought process was behind that, but it is what it is. Here's a table. You can eat at it. Excuse me, you can eat at it. work at it, whatever you want. You've got 2 chairs, so we can each sit here comfortably. The city lights are gonna be beautiful, I think. So this entire huge window is right here on this whole wall, so it takes up almost the whole wall. Look at all this floor space. There's just so much space in here. I absolutely love it. You got a little bench here at the end of the bed, king size bed, beautiful. And then you connect back to the bathroom through right here. And then there's also the digital thermostat here on the wall. All the lights, and there are also outlets by the nightstands. Each have a nightstand, so that's really good. This is a fabulous hotel. It has pool, it has a 24-hour fitness center, spa, all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna show you all that stuff as well. Hopefully you enjoyed the room tour. Also, we do have lounge access because we use the guest of honor. We right now are just Explorers. And is it Explorers? No, yes, it's Explorers. I have to think of the levels. We're Explorers, which is right before Globalists. Like I said, we're gonna earn Globalists with this when we complete this 7-day stay. And so we're gonna have, you know, access to the lounge. But because we earned the Guest of Honor award, we went ahead and applied it to this stay. So that's how come we got the upgrade, and we have access to the lounge. We got here like right at 7:30, which is when they shut down the evening hors d'oeuvres and cocktails, and they called up from the front desk to the lounge and asked them to set some food aside for us so we could still come up there and enjoy it. They were absolutely phenomenal to us. I can't wait to enjoy breakfast and the rest of the treats that they give us up there as well. So I'm gonna show you that too. So I'll show you the lounge area, I'll show you the lobby, pool, fitness center, all that kind of good stuff. So let's go take a look at that. All right, it's our first morning here at the Grand Hyatt, and we are having breakfast in the lounge. We came up here just a little after 10 o'clock. It closes at 10. There was still plenty of food, or you can just order it directly from them and they'll bring it to your table. Here's what we got. Omelet, potatoes, bacon, lots of pastries. There's also a whole area with like a local breakfast as well, which I'm sure I'll do maybe tomorrow or one of these days as well. Got some coffee, and they do have juices and sodas as well. So lots to offer with a beautiful view. It's on the 57th floor. I'm going to show you the rest of the food, what it looks like, and also show you a little bit around the lounge. All right, came back down to the room from the lounge. Hope you enjoyed checking that out. I promised to show you a view from the room here, and it is lovely. Look at this. So pretty. You can see the river right there, and then all that out there is the ocean. I think I can kind of point to it. You can kind of get the gist of it there. So pretty good view from the room here. We still have to go stop at the pool and the fitness center, so I'll take you down to check those out before we wrap up the video, and I'll give you a couple of thoughts of our stay here so far. Okay, we are in the gym, and this is the cardio area here, and then there's a weight area on the other side. So bikes, striders, and quite a few treadmills. That's nice. We've got towels here, water, and then your weight equipment over here. It's pretty good size. Lots of great equipment here too. Nice size. All right, let's go take a look at the pool outside. So there's a jacuzzi. These are open to all guests. 2 experienced showers and 2 saunas, steam and dry. And then there's also a locker room, showers. Yeah, this is really, really nice. All right, guys, so we've concluded our stay at the Grand Hyatt, and we had a great stay here. We have a lot of different thoughts about our experience there. And I'm going to break those down for you. A lot of you asked, to kind of give a rating or to break it down. So I've got 9 different categories. One of the categories is worth 20 points. The rest of the categories are each worth 10 points each. So the scores look like this. So they have obviously the possibility of getting up to a 100. So 90 to 100 is, of course, above excellent. 80 to 89 is going to be a great experience. 70 to 79 is going to be good. And 60 to 69 is going to be fair. Anything below that, I'm just going to tell you to run the other way. So let's break this one down. Let's talk about the first category, which is location. The Grand Hyatt's location was absolutely fantastic. This location, it was kind of in the heart of everything. Huge mall, lots of places to eat, some shopping in the area, and it wasn't too hard to get around. Felt really safe as well to walk around that area. So I'm going to give the location on the Grand Hyatt a 10. Cleanliness, I'm going to give it a 9. It was actually pretty good. At no point did I ever see like any trash anywhere. The room was always clean. The housekeeping staff was really good about that. And like all of the main spaces were also kept really clean. As soon as, like even when it was raining, they came by and they would dry the floors very quickly. The next one we're going to look at is amenities. And the amenities at this hotel are unbelievable. As you saw earlier, They had that spa that's available for everyone that's staying there. You don't have to have any special status. Just staying at the hotel, you get to use that spa area. I thought that was absolutely fabulous. The gym was phenomenal. The pool area was so good. So many lounge chairs available in the pool area too, as you saw. It was never crowded anytime that we went down there. Gave this an 18. So the highest on the amenities is that you can get is 20. That's the one category where you can get 20. The next one is going to be the service staff. And on this one, we're going to give it a full 10 because the service staff at the Grand Hyatt was absolutely fantastic. They would go above and beyond. As soon as you look like you needed to do something, a staff person would be right there to help you. So that was really fantastic. Next category is the lounge. And this hotel obviously had a lounge. You saw it. It did have a lot of really good choices for food. We're going to give this one an 8. Not because of the staff, because the staff was absolutely fantastic in the lounge, but for the food choices. Would have liked to see a little bit more variety in the food choices there in the lounge, but it was really good. So coming in strong with an 8. Elite recognition, I'm going to give this a 5. We were well into the check-in process before they even said anything about it. Now, they did come into play later where they, when there was an upgrade offered for a room, but as far as the recognition is concerned, just a 5 because it took so long and didn't feel like it was like the recognition level that we get at some other places. Value, gonna give this a 9. It was only 12,000 points per night, as I mentioned earlier in the video. So that's an incredible value for what you're getting at this hotel. Even if you don't have lounge access, you're still getting an incredible value in this hotel. So a 9 for that. Sleeping environment, I'm gonna give this one a 6. The beds were a little bit old. The pillows were really, really soft, which it's just like the kind of pillows where you put your head down and the whole thing just collapses. So you feel like you're just laying flat practically. And that was with 2 pillows each, which was really crazy. And then it was a pretty good environment outside of that, but it makes a really big difference when you don't have a comfortable bed. It was clearly had been used quite a lot. We even rotated it a couple times to see if it would help. It did not. It just was not a good situation. So a 6 for that. And then the last one, the overall experience, we're going to give this one a 7 out of 10. It was a pretty good experience overall. So that puts the score for the Grand Hyatt at an 82. So that comes in pretty good. I would recommend staying at the Grand Hyatt Manila. Like I said, it's in a great location. The staff was really good. The amenities were incredible. That was probably one of my favorite things there. Guys, if you have questions about it, leave those down in the comment section for me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got a little bit more out of it. I'll see you guys next time.